Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many friends problem on Snapchat. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Snapchat has a friend limit of 5,000 friends, but if you still want to add friends after you cross the friend limit, you must remove your current friends on Snapchat first. So, in order to fix too many friends on Snapchat, tap the profile icon at the top left corner and scroll down. Under the Friends section, tap My Friends. Your Snapchat friends will be displayed here. Tap the friend that you want to remove and tap their name at the top left. Once you do that, your friend's profile will open. Next, tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap Remove Friend. Tap Remove to confirm. You can remove as many friends as you want. And that's how you fix too many friends problem on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.